Alright, this is part 6 of the Tamiya Lunch Box mini kit build, and today we're going to be starting on step 18, and we'll go from there. So let's find these pieces, B12, 11, 14, and 15 it looks like. Okay, we need BA2 screws, and they should be these right here. So let's look at this one first. So that's going to be, let's see if I can do this. And same with this side. So let's grab this. One of these rings. Alright, should look like that. And then we're going to put these two holes onto here, like that, I believe. Yep, that looks correct. Okay, just make sure there's still a full range of motion. And now we need to put two ball studs down here and then a screw on top. So this BB3 is going to be this longer one, this one. And this collar should be like that. And it should be from the other side. So that should be like that. And then we have two screws coming from the back side, like that, with a ball stud from this side, from the front side. So this side is going to be, just tighten up with a box wrench and do the same from the other, for the other side. All right, and when we're done with step 18, it should look like this. Okay, and now we're going to mount it onto the chassis along with this piece right here, B1 and BA9. So that should be this right here, I think. And we're going to have to come in through this end. All right, for the next part, we need this. We also need this assembly. And we're going to first put that through there, and it will move freely in there, so that should be fine. And this hole is going to meet here, and it's going to meet this on the other side, like that. And it does seat inside, so you have to see this notch here. There's also a notch in there, so you need to make sure it's in the right position. All right, so there's that. I'm going to use one of these longer screws. Oops. You also need to, so we need to make sure this goes into here, and this notch needs to match in there, like that. And then we're going to use a long screw to fasten these together. Okay. So it looks like I made a mistake with this right piece here. I had this facing out like this, and it should be facing in like this. So this is going to go here, and we'll just put this back. And that's going to go there. Okay, now this screw and this piece right here will go in through here and through that. Okay. And that's the way it should be. You should get a full range of motion like this when you're done. It's very cool design. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.